Hi, everybody. It's TG, just checking in and following up with some of my various survival tips in the age of Corona and COVID 19. Some of you may have seen some of my earlier videos on masks and face shields and gloves and PPE. And this is a little follow up. I actually dug up one of my older masks. I actually had one in my garage, which is a Honeywell North N95 mask, perfectly exactly what everybody else is supposed to be using. Of course, I'm not quite sure. This is the old grubby filter that I had. It's pretty much unused. However, it's kind of beaten up. And it occurred to me, how would I get a replacement filter, or how do I keep this one working? Uh, and I had an idea. Because here's the point. Right now, you can't get filters, or gougers are selling these filters for like hundreds of dollars. You used to be able to buy 20 of these for about 15 bucks. And I think this filter costs like, I don't know, $25, $30. And, it's reasonably priced. But now the gougers are just screwing the universe. Anyway, I've been doing some research on different types of alternate, filters. And of course, there are a number of products, alternate products on the market that are, N95 equivalent, one of which is any HEPA rated, any HEPA rated vacuum cleaner filter will do the trick, okay? In fact, a HEPA rated vacuum filter, is rated at 97% efficient, okay? So it's even better, has a higher rating than your average N95 mask or filter. And basically, I just experimented. I cut one up. Here it is, cut up. And I even made my own alternate homemade mask. Okay, there you go. Here's my alternate homemade mask using a vacuum cleaner filter and, HEPA rated vacuum filter bag, and it works. It works fine. It works absolutely perfectly. There you go. It seals, and I used a pipe cleaner right here, and it completely seals. So I said to myself, well, why not see if I can give my old N95 face mask a lease on life. So what I did is I cut up, one of the filter bags that and I, inserted it. There we go, in my thing. Works perfectly. I now have 4 filters. One of these HEPA rated filter bags, depending on the size, at least on my little shop vac HEPA rated filter bag, I get 4 filters. So there you go. There's my new lease on life. Okay, so there you go. I hope you enjoy that. Of course, here's my face mask as well. I think it's really important to have a combination. It's the combination of both a face mask and, and one of these guys, and the filter and the face mask. The combination of the face shield and the filter mask, that does the trick. So here we go. This does the trick. And I think it's the combination of having both a face shield, and a mask that'll provide you with the protection. It protects your eyes. It also keeps any direct contact. Okay, it protects you against any direct contact. All right, so there you go. Obviously, you want to be wearing gloves. And you also want to be, taking good care of yourself, avoiding direct contact, social distancing, staying at least 2 meters away from everybody, and minimize your social contact. Okay, so there you go. Blessings. Namaste. Okay. Thank you. Love you.